Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony. Today I'm with Gabe from Orion Trees here on YouTube as well. He's been doing tree work for a long time. How long have you been a pro arborist?
I'm almost 44, so almost 24 years or so.
24 years.
I don't know if I've ever been a pro though. Just kidding. But, I've known him for years and years, and his father's a master mechanic helping me out in the early stages of the tree business. But he's been rolling with YouTube. We just started YouTube this year for fun, this winter.
You know, this year actually makes 10 years on YouTube for me. I mean, I took a break while I was changing professions and stuff, but now I got a nice job where I got plenty of time to do hobby stuff like this. So it's been a couple years since I split with an axe, and this guy splits with an axe all the time. We figure we challenge each other. Yeah. So we got 10 oak rounds stacked up right behind us, alongside of us.
Tried to make them somewhat even as far as knottiness and size. It's going to be a sprint pretty much. We got 8-pound Fiskars, same axes. Should be fun. Got my daughter filming for us.
Yep.
She's freezing right now, so we got to hustle.
All right, well, nothing to it but to get to it.
Sounds good.
All right.
You ready for the rematch? I'm just gonna say I'm 230.
I think I'm 150.
It's unfair, but I don't know what kind of knots you ran into or whatnot. But
We try keeping it fair, but it's real world stuff here.
now we gotta do all the halves.
Yep.
Good workout.
We're gonna have to come back here to
I
Orion
wanted to do
Trees.
50.
50 of them.
Because you just about pass out. I did 40 once, but
This guy's nuts.
pretty much.
I'll stick to my homemade log splitter. Boy, am I out of breath.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. But yeah, 30, 40. I think I had a couple that had a little bit of knot, but pretty straight stuff.
But I'm definitely going to have to come back here for another round.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Here's what he's looking at. We got 40 halves, and then that big guy to cut in half on the finish.
I'm going this way and doing a loop, and I'm back.
Ready? For fun?
Yep.
I wonder how winded he'll get. Soon to find out. Go, brother. 4-pound. Look how nice that's an. It's lighter. Look at this guy go. Pretty smooth so far. Keep it up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. This is when you're almost there, bro. He hasn't done this for like 2 years.
Wow.
Probably first time competitively, right?
Oh, yeah.
Under the clock. You're only a minute and 18 in.
This one is kicking my butt.
Yeah. I run into those sometimes.
There we go.
You gonna edit this now? That first row, you kicked butt, man. There you go.
Part of the village.
I wish I could. Good job. And then he's got that big one to get in half. All right, finish strong. Dunzo. There's a knot. There's a knot there. We're calling it good, bro. You only had to get that one in half. You're not even breathing as hard as I'm used to.
Wow. What a workout.
Cool, cool. There's the carnage.
I appreciate you letting me come out here and work out, I guess. It's fun. I got to do it again.
Yeah, I wanted to do 50, so we're going to have to get some nice even ones for a 50. But these are halves, and he's going to use the 4-pound Fiskar, and we got a big one to finish.
Well, I already did use the 4-pound Fiskar because this is the outro. Yeah.
Peace.
So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and please check out his channel, Orion Trees. I'll leave a link in the description below to head over to his channel. He does some cool stuff too.